Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Bobo balloon. So I have been down with the flu, so my voice may sound a little bit raspy, but here we go. So here I have my balloon pump, my 5-inch balloons, and my Bobo balloon. So I'm starting by stretching this balloon because it's not your regular latex balloon, so you really have to work it by stretching it just to make sure that you can get it inflated to the size that you want, and also that it doesn't pop when you start to inflate it. So you really got to work it. So this is how it looks after it has been stretched. I also like to inflate it a couple times and release the hair just to make sure that it's stretched properly. You can also buy these pre-stretched, so not to worry, you can get it pre-stretched on Amazon. So these balloons that I'm using, I got a pack of 25 on Amazon for under 15 Canadian dollars, and these are 24 inches in size. So they do come in different sizes as well, depending on what your needs are. You go for the size that you want. You can go bigger or you can go smaller. So now we're going to insert our 5-inch balloon through the nozzle of the Bobo balloon and inflate. Give it about 3 to 4 pumps of air. Then we're going to tie the neck of the 5-inch balloon, and that's how easy it is. So we're going to tie it, and I like to cut the bit of neck that's remaining off just so you can get a cleaner look on the inside of the balloon. So now we're ready to add more balloons to the inside. So we're going to be repeating the same process. So I'm using a balloon stick to insert the balloon through the neck because I find it easier, but you can use your hands to put it on the inside, that's fine. So now the Bobo balloon is full and I need to add more 5-inch balloons on the inside. So I will need to add more air to the balloon. So I'll give it a couple pumps to make room for my remaining balloons. So this is how I do it. So that is it. This balloon is stuffed, so now I'm going to inflate it to the size that I want it to be. You can add more balloons on the inside if you'd like, but I'm just doing this amount for the sake of the video. So now I'm going to inflate the Bobo balloon. And guys, you can also use an electric balloon pump if you have that. I just choose to use the hand pump because I think it's more controlled. So I think I'm comfortable with this size that I have right now, so I'm going to just tie the neck of this balloon. So I'm going to give it a little stretch just to make sure I can twist it enough and have enough length to do like a double knot. Just to make sure I secure the ear on the inside, I'm twisting it before I knot it. Okay, so these are what I'll be using for the next step. This container, this flour foam, some tissue paper, my scissors, and my low temperature glue gun. So here I'm just gonna eyeball the flour foam to make sure that it will fit inside of this container. It doesn't have to be a perfect cut or fit. I just want it to stabilize the balloon on the inside. I'm also using the flower foam so you can see how to do it if you choose to put florals at the base of your balloon. So this is how you would do it. Insert the floral foam and then you can add the flowers to the base of the balloon. Otherwise, you can just use a regular balloon stick that I'm doing right now. I'm just adding some tape to secure the top, and you could use glue to glue it to the inside of the container. But the floral foam keeps it real stable. So I have attached the balloon to the balloon stick, and this is how it looks. So now I'm just going to insert it in the middle of the floral foam, and it's going to hold it in place. So I'm going to be adding the tissue paper. So now that the floral foam has been measured, I'm going to add the tissue paper and then I'm going to re-add the floral foam on top of that. So this is how I do it. So I do have some ribbon to add to the balloon as well. You can use any color. I'm just using this color, white, because that's what I have on hand. I normally just use up what I have when I'm making a video. So I'm using a little bit of glue to attach it to the inside of the container. Now I did have some glue dashes, but oh my gosh, I cannot find those glue dashes, hence why I resorted to the glue gun, because hey, life goes on. But now I'm going to be covering the rest or bit of floral foam that you're seeing with tissue paper. So I grab it by the middle and then I'm adding a little bit of glue to it, and then I'm just gonna stick it on top of the floral foam. Okay, so I'm done adding the tissue paper and now I'm on the last bit, which is tying the ribbon. Remember, you can use any balloons that you want. You can use any color tissue paper that you want that goes along with your theme. Any color ribbon that you want that matches your theme. As I said, I'm just using what I have on hand, which is this white tissue paper and this white ribbon, okay? So now I'm just tying the ribbon and I think it's already looking great. I'm going to just cut the ribbon a little bit. I think it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to give it a little snip snip. And at this point, you can also go ahead and add your vinyl message stickers to the balloon, like happy birthday. Okay guys, talk to me. I think this turned out great. I added this little golden bow because I think it needed some zhuzhing up in terms of the colors, because I have the pastel colors on the inside, but it needed a little oomph. So I found that little ribbon and I had it to the top as well. So I think it looks great. Let me know what you think. There are so many ways and styles of doing this balloon, so let me know what you think and I'll catch you in the next video.